So the first thing I'm going to do before I get to any of these steps is to change this subtraction here. I'm going to change that to plus negative. So I'm going to say that's plus negative 1. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to look at this first step, which is to get all the variables to one side. It's easier for me to move the smaller of the two, so I'm going to move this 4m over here. So the way that I do that is I'm going to subtract 4m from each side. So 4m minus 4m cancels out, leaves us with negative 11 on the left-hand side. And 6m minus 4m is 2m plus negative 1. So I've done this first step. I've done this one. I got all the variables to one side. Now we got to get all the integers to the other side. So that means I've got to move this integer over here. So the opposite of negative 1 is going to be positive 1. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And negative 1 and positive 1 cancel out. Leave me with 2m equals negative 10. And now we're on that last step, divide and solve. So now I just am going to divide both sides by 2, and we get m. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that's 1m. And 10 divided by 2 is 5, so negative 10 divided by 2 is going to give us negative 5.